up for like 2 hours.
Mexico.
Coffee number 2.
I've been up for 2.5 minutes.
Sorry.
I love sleeping. I really do.
I think he loves sleep more than me. Maybe
No chance.
The reason we're here, my aunt Donna and Dwayne, Uncle Dwayne, gave us their timeshare for this week. So thank you to them. They're why we're in beautiful Cabo San Lucas. So we're quite blessed to have that gift. It was huge.
That was so cool.
And it's awesome because obviously we spent money to get here, but it kind of gives us a little more freedom to do some cool things while we're here since we didn't have to foot the cash for the actual trip. So I think we might try to go on a dinner cruise, but there's this giant list of activities that we can do, and we get like a super discount while we're here at the resort. So
we're gonna look at golf. There's some really good golf courses. Maybe whale watching.
Yeah, whale watching's on the
or I don't know. I think the plan today was go to the breakfast, go to the grocery store at some point.
yeah, we have to like take a taxi, or they have Uber here. Yeah, we want to go get cheaper groceries because the grocery store here is like really expensive because it's just a little convenience store. We've already spent like $150 there. We're gonna try to eat in as much as possible. No plans yet, so that's kind of nice. Other than the gym, we're gonna go to the gym.
Yes, we are working out.
Just because we are on vacation doesn't mean we're not gonna work out. As a matter of fact, it gives us even more time to get in our workouts because we don't have any plans. So there is a gym here, but I'm gonna do my warm-up at home.
This is the supine band.
Wow, I'm so strong. Maybe I'll wait for the gym.
Hello, I'm Eric Oakley, and we're here in Cabo San Lucas on the Whale Pants Honeymoon.
Wow.
So we just sat through what was supposed to be
3 hours?
Yeah, 75 minutes of a presentation about timeshares for free breakfast, which was amazing, by the way. That whatever that chip, onion, cheese thing.
Chip?
You know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
It was delicious. But sat through that, got talked about buying a timeshare. We didn't because...
I mean, okay, we knew what we were getting into. My parents and myself went through it when I was like 14 or something, and I knew exactly what we were getting into.
But we knew that we weren't going to. It was a free breakfast. It was super nice. We got some stuff to the spa. We ended up getting some incentives out of it. All good. Met some really nice people. We have the option to do something like that in the future, which is super cool.
Okay, let's talk about the real perks though. Mimosa, champagne, champagne. Mimosa. Is that it?
Beer for me. Lots of drinks, lots of food.
That many.
Super good time. Met some nice people. Got some great information. But we did meet some people who know who we are here. They're two of the guys are disc golfers.
We're in Mexico, and we still run into fans. That's so cool.
He had a Latitude 64 shirt on, and his homie had an Innova hat on. And I think we're gonna go out to dinner with them.
Dinner with them tonight.
They're here for the whole week too. They brought some discs, but we told them we're just playing catch on the beach, which is super fun. But what are we doing right now? What's that noise from the other room?
Eric wants to do nothing.
Yes.
I'm hungry. I'm making some food.
Let's go take a look.
They haven't seen the apartment yet.
Yeah, well we were in the bedroom. Here's the bathroom. There's a bathroom in the bedroom, back there. This is our living room.
perfectly clean, thank you. Tina is getting some sausage and onion nice and cooked for us.
It's 2 in the afternoon.
We're gonna do some eggs, tortillas, and aquadados. I'm gonna go guys show you guys the back porch, which is probably one of the cooler spots. Oh, you guys have seen this? Oh wow, a chair, another chair, a table, jacuzzi, and a pretty cool view. Not too bad. We're living it. We're loving it. Watching TV. How you feeling, Tina?
Pretty good. I want to go do something though. What do you want to do?
Let's go to the beach, throw some frizz, see the water,
Not yet.
and then we're gonna work out.
I've done that already.
I know, but I'm gonna work out.
Some more.
Yeah, getting it. Are you gonna get that fish out?
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm doing
Okay,
really
bye.
bad. I'm doing really bad camera work. I might have just gotten happy
There's
to
a
face.
reason it's mostly me in the vlogs.
Yes. Well, actually, it's mostly me because I'm terrible with this thing. Boom roasted. Face.
You gotta go like this because it's your own face.
No, but in your face.
No, it's not my face.
Got it. In your face. Oh, it's focusing on me. So now it's on you. Look at me.
Look
Now
at
look
me.
at you. Look at me. Now look at you. You guys see how weird my hand is. All right, guys. We'll see some more stuff from today's adventures. Maybe when we're on the beach. Woo-hoo.
Okay, so I haven't flown the drone yet. I checked all the laws and everything, and they're pretty much the same as the United States, but that's still, I'm like still a little nervous about it, but we're gonna try it out. The setup takes a little while.